Good morning. Let's have some coffee. Funny. Good morning. So I realized that honestly, I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. Like, honestly, I've been waiting for maybe like life to happen or circumstances around me to feel the go ahead to do the things that have been like inward, like the things that I've been wanting to create for a really long time. And no, I'm just not going to be waiting anymore, because what if it is that I needed to just go for it and do the things, like just step forward, one foot ahead, in order to see things around me. So that's what I'm doing. Even today, I'm bringing you along on a regular day in the life in Spain, in Madrid for the summer. I don't have anything like incredible planned, but that's fine. You're going to be seeing what it's like working from home and the different activities that I do, and from my perspective, you know? And it's really interesting because today is Jamaica's Independence Day. So nationally and as a Jamaican, it just symbolizes a day of freedom, of being able to make your own decision and choices and ownership, you know? And I just think that, what's the word, kismet, it's just like incredible for me personally to be starting on a day that nationally symbolizes a lot, and also personally just going forward in full freedom and not waiting for what could be permission to just do what I've been able to do for a very long time. So I'm taking you along with me, seeing how it goes, seeing what the progress is like. I just moved into this apartment like over a month ago, and there are things that I'd like to do, like with decoration and also just basic organization. I'm really afraid to show you what my room looks like right now, but I'm gonna just be try to be like vulnerable and open and take you along with the progress. Because isn't that also interesting, just seeing what the progress is like while building to the vision that you've always had or that you are thinking about right now. And also, I'm dreaming with God. Like, if we've just met, I am a deep Christian Jesus girl. So I live my life just submitted and surrendered to God and trying to take Him along in everything I do. Right? So the life that I live is in partnership with Him as well. So I hope you can resonate with that and learn some stuff if you want to. And I'm just excited to have you here and looking forward to how it goes along. Okay, so let's get the show on the road. I just changed into the outfit that I'll be wearing in the house all day. So it's a simple Indian dress that my friend gave to me. She actually got this on a trip that she took to India, and I really like it. And I mean, since part of my heritage is Indian, why not? On today, the Independence Day of Jamaica. So I actually had to put my phone down to charge because the battery was way low. I thought I had charged it all night, but apparently not. So I was working for a bit. So now that it's been charged, I'm gonna continue with the activities that I want to do in the house. So first of all, let's get this room organized. And then I'm gonna do some laundry, and I'm also hoping to go to the store today. Now, to be very honest, going to the supermarket isn't one of like the things that I enjoy the most, and to be very honest, when I can, I avoid it. But I really need some things, especially some cosmetics and some personal hygiene items, and I only like to shop at one particular store for these things. So I'm gonna show you what it is if I end up going, to be honest, or maybe I'll just shop online. Yeah, I'll have to pay a service fee, but that's better than having nothing because I'm really running low on some items. So yeah, let's do it. In other news, like with keeping up with the heat, so The reason why I have this water bottle on my bed is because it was frozen. So I froze it and took it out during the night to put at my feet so that the ice or the cool of the ice could actually cool me down a lot more. Because unfortunately, a lot of apartments don't have AC. Right. And neither does mine. So you just gotta do what you gotta do. So last night was a particularly hot night, and sometimes I just like take a frozen water bottle and put it beside me, and especially in front of where the fan is, so that the cool air or the cooler air could blow on me. And I have two, like I have the regular hot water bottle that I will freeze, or this, and I just alternate them. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Like the fitted sheets, you may ask. So as I said, I just moved to this apartment, and in my previous apartment I was sleeping on a single bed, and now this is a double bed, so I need to get some sheets that actually fit this bed. I only have one set right now, and I need to get some others. So I use the cover of this sheet to kind of alternate with this one to cover the mattress, because I like to change my bedspreads regularly, and since I only have one set right now, it would be hard to wash immediately when I'm changing. So that's what I'm doing for now until I can get more sheets. And the thing is that, like, I have some ideas of how I want to decorate. I kind of mentioned it at the beginning of this video, and I haven't gone immediately to buy some yet, because I'm thinking about what I want to get that fits with the whole idea that I have for the rest of the room. So yeah, that's it for now. So for now, this is what I used to cover myself with. I hardly ever need it, but it's just due to habit. And sometimes, actually, like last week, the night would get really cold and I would need more covering. So I got this blanket, and now I just keep it out in case I need it. But I hardly ever use it because I don't want anything that retains heat on me, like at all. Some laundry, so let's do the first load. So what's the first? So I'm getting started with the first load, which will just be like things that I wear at home, or, you know, unmentionables. And I'll do those first, then kind of like outside clothes, and then whites, because I wash my whites separately just to keep them for as long as possible white. I use vinegar instead of fabric softener, because I'll explain that later. Okay, I am so sorry for the fan in the background, but I need it, okay? I keep talking about the heat a lot, but it's very serious. Anywho, so now that I have my first laundry load in, I'm gonna go and do some more work. I work online, right? So as I said, I work from home. But today, since it's my Independence Day, I won't be doing my regular client work. Thankfully, my hours are flexible like that. Winning. But I will also be doing some other like branding work, like personal branding, because as I said, I woke up today feeling sick and tired of being sick and tired. So I just felt this need to really put in the work and go ahead with some ideas and plans that I had from a long time ago. So I'm going to be planning those. And that's also one of the reasons why I'm filming today. Am I looking at the right camera? So yeah, I'm just bringing you along for that. So I'm gonna do some more work and see you in a bit. The first load is finished, so let me show you the drying system here. Most apartments will use this drying rack, or in Spanish it's called a tenedor. I think that's how it's pronounced. So we just put this in the living room, and it works really well during the summer because things will dry a lot faster. Now, as I said, I've only been in this apartment for over a month, so I'm not sure how it will be in winter when it's colder and things don't dry as fast, but I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And yes, we could put it out on our balcony. There's a really lovely balcony out here, but I really don't like how outside smells or the dust that could be there, because it's a really public area, to put it nicely. It's what it is, living in the city. So inside it just feels like you're gonna maintain the cleanliness of your laundry. But yeah, during the winter time, I really don't know how that's gonna go down. It would be really strange to have your clothes here for a couple of days just trying to get it dry. But apparently from conversations, that's been what it is. And I'm just like, well. So right now it's midday, and I'm telling you, I'm really thinking that I'm gonna order online. Yeah. I think that's how it's gonna go. Because there's like a couple of tasks that I really want to get finished, and I don't want to go outside right now in this heat, so and the thing is that Mercadona, the one in this neighborhood, isn't too far away. It's like up the street, maybe like a 10-minute or maybe more walk. But like if you've been outside in like 30 to 40 degrees heat with barely any shadow, you can understand just the anxiety, not just the anxiety, but the burden of that, just thinking about it. So I think I'm just gonna order and just call it a day. Bless the Lord, for services like that actually do a good job. So I think for now in this season, like in the summer, if I have to pay extra for that, I think it's fine. So yeah, just getting back to work. Well, first I'm gonna put up my laundry and then get back to some work and then have some lunch. It's like midday right now, so gonna prepare some lunch and probably after this rest, because I really want to just enjoy the holiday. I mean, I'm not back home in Jamaica right now, so on a day like this, many people will be planning to go to the beach, or if you're in Kingston, to watch the parade, like the national parade with just a lot of art and music and creative expressions, or you could just watch it on TV. But I'm here in Spain, and we do have a Caribbean community, but for the past 4 years that I've been living in Madrid, even though like I've spent Independence Day here, and sometimes there would be some activities, like someone would plan something, like I don't want to be outside, so I've never gone. Actually, there was one that happened at another apartment that I was living in. It was just like a general gathering, having lunch together, and that was fun because it was inside. But to go to like a park right now, or just any other plans that outside, like I just don't want to do it. So I would love to celebrate with my other Jamaicans. We've done other things, but Independence Day, like the beginning of August is just a really hard time to plan a group activity. So I just want to stay at home and rest and enjoy the celebrations and the history of my country. Here is something that I've been trying to do every day, and like I've had this guitar for a little while now, but I haven't really been practicing, so I'm trying to change that. The only thing is that my tuner is on my phone, so I'm trying to see how good my listening skills are.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like